Today's gospel is a continuation of yesterday's story about the rich young man. And we cannot take away the story of yesterday with the good news of today and what seems to be that good news. The rich young man may have thought that once you give up everything, you will surely have nothing. Pero doon po siya nagkakamali. Hindi naman pinapabayaan o hinahayaan ng Diyos na mawalan ang sumusunod sa Kanya. Instead, the one who surrenders to God receives more from God. Peter told Jesus today, "We have given up everything to follow you." Kumbaga sinabi po ni Pedro kay Jesus, wala na kaming itinera para sa aming sarili, para sundan ka. Isinuko na namin sa iyo. But Jesus answered him, "Amen, I say to you, there is no one who has given up house or brothers and sisters and everything for my sake and for the sake of the gospel, who will not receive 100 times more now in this present age." Not empty-handed, not rich in terms of earthly desires or things, but doubly blessed by the Lord. At sa umagang ito pa lang po, inialay na po natin sa Diyos ang pupwede o sanang inihaba na lang sanang tulog natin o ipinahinga na lang po ninyo mula po sa mga iba't ibang biyahe ninyo. But we are all here. You are watching, joining us online via online streaming. Nawalan man tayo ng para sa atin, pero tiyak din naman po tayo natatanggap tayo ng biyaya mula sa Diyos natin. Madaming mga tao ang isinuko sa Diyos ang kanilang mga posibleng plano, pero nakadama na hindi naman nagkulang ang Diyos kung susuko at magbibigay para sa Diyos. With this vocation to the priesthood, madami-dami na din po kung isinuko at ipinagkatiwala o binitawan para sa Diyos. Mga posibleng plano na pwede ko naman po sanang harapin. Isang normal na buhay ng isang binata o isang lalaki. At madami pa pong ibang pagsusukong naganap sa buhay ni Father Viel. But have I grown less? All the more that I realized the one who surrenders to God receives more from God. We may have a lot of fears, my dear brothers and sisters, when we surrender something or ourselves to God. Dahil hindi naman po madaling bumitaw o sumuko para sa Diyos. Nakakatakot pa nga dahil ang pagsuko, ibig sabihin diyan may mawawala. Pero hindi po pabaya ang Diyos. God will not only supply, He will bless us. He promised that He will make it double for us. We will not go empty-handed, but full of His love, full of His blessings, and full of His grace.